welcome to my channel. So I'm going to start off with this Too Faced palette right here and take this bronzer, and I'm just going to contour my nose. Now Janet has a small nose, so I wanted to kind of emulate that, but I didn't want to go too overboard. I just wanted to contour my nose a little bit just to have a slimmer nose, but I'm not trying to get her exact look. So now I'm just going to contour my cheeks because she has these amazing cheekbones. Like, her bone structure is amazing. So I am doing that. Like I said, I'm not trying to make myself look like her. I am just going to try to emulate her facial structure just a little bit. You know, that's what we try to do. And now I'm just putting a little bit of powder underneath that just to make my cheekbones look a little sharper. And then we can move on from the face. I'm just adding a little mole because she has one there. So I tried to cover mine on my face, but you know you can't cover those. So now I am just taking this eyeshadow palette from the Lorac color design, and it's called Taupe Craze. Now I'm just taking a beige color and placing this underneath the brow bone. She had quite a lot underneath her brow bone area, so I was trying to go for the same look. This is a very 90s look, and you don't need to be a fan of Janet Jackson to do this look. Like, I mean, straight up 90s. I was living for it. I rocked it all day. I didn't care. So now I'm just taking this shimmering eyeshadow. So what they did a lot in the 90s and early 2000s is they took a lot of mocha colors, and especially shimmering colors, and they placed that all over the lid. Now in modern times nowadays, they put a matte color in the crease, and in the 90s and early 2000s, they like to stick to shimmering eyeshadows in the crease. Like, I remember that, and you see that in a lot of music videos. So that was just the trend back then. Now it's kind of fell off the trend, but if you are a nostalgic fan, then that's what you could do to kind of get that look. So I'm just placing that look all over the lids and bringing it really high up in the crease where it's coming into the inner corners, as you can see right here, in a very rounded shape. So I saw that a lot of early 2000s R&B stars did this too. So I'm just taking a dark brown color here and smoking it underneath my lower lash line, and I'm also going to smoke it above my upper lash line. Now, the smoky look was super in, especially with supermodels. Now I am going to be doing a 90s supermodels look, so stay tuned for that. I haven't done that yet, so I ordered a wig for it, so I can't wait to show you guys how it's gonna look. I'm so into all of these looks, and I just get so excited to share it with you. Plus, I said the word "so" like 30 times in one sentence, so there we go again. I'm not gonna say that anymore. I'm just cutting the crease now with that same dark color to give it more of a definition, and placing a little bit of more of that color in the brow bone area too, because it needs to pop. Now I'm just going to take a black eyeliner and the Master Precise liner as well, and line my waterline to get that smoky look. Very sexy and really 90s. So then I'm taking my liquid eyeliner, and I'm not a super big fan of this because it's pretty dried out and I've not used it that much, but it still did its job in creating a small upper line. Not gonna wing it out. Doing the same on the other eyes, and then we could move on to the next step, which is eyelashes. I can't 100% tell if Janet was wearing falsies, but I really do think she was. So I'm just going to stick with these magnetic eyelashes that I have from Irresistible Me. I mentioned in a previous video that I've been using magnetic lashes almost every day. They're just so easy to use, and I love them. I've been seriously on the kick. I'm so done with glue right now because I literally get glue residue every single time I do fake lashes like that, and I can't stand it because the next day when I don't want to wear falsies, I still have glue there. So if you guys have any tips on how to remove glue after a couple of days, that would be great. Leave it down below because I'm kind of dumb and don't know. So I'm just adding a bit more mascara, and I'm going to put these magnetic lashes on. As you can see, I just stack one on the top and then the other magnet on the bottom to secure it. And I just felt like it gave it a really natural but 90s look, so I didn't want to make it too dramatic. And you could tell she had more emphasis on the outer lash part. So there we go, and now I'm going to do it to the next one. I didn't really zoom in for this part, but you guys get the idea. And voila! It's like magic. I love it so much. It's amazing. So then I'm taking strip down, and I'm terrible at putting lipstick on camera. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm going to try my best to fix this issue. I can't see from where I am. I promise you, but I'm going to try to fix it. Then I'm taking Dolce K by Kylie Cosmetics because it's a brown cocoa color that is perfect for any 90s looks. This lipstick is very 90s. So as long as you can see that what lipstick I'm wearing, then you guys are good. Then I'm going to spray my face because I felt like my face was getting a little tight. So whenever you add some Fix Plus or any type of spray, it really loosens up that powder and just makes it look perfect the rest of the day. Then I'm adding a nude gloss. This is just Glow by Victoria's Secret. And there you have it. There is your all for you Janet Jackson look. So comment below what 90s look you would like to see next. I'm working on a 90s supermodel look for you guys, and that'll be up shortly. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching my videos. If you still watch them, if YouTube kicked you out, I'm sorry. I hope you find me again. But anyways, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.